Hey, this is Texas Rider here. I'm going to install and review the Ciro LED light bag blades with run, turn, and brake lights. They have different versions of this. They have two models, 2014 and under. It has a special adapter that goes on those particular bikes. This one is a 2014 and above, which will be on my 2019. I'm going to install it on there. Comes with the module and everything, so just make sure you have the right bike for the particular model. This one is a part number 2040-2011 light bag blades with sequential turn signal. This comes with the module to do all the switching. This is basically plug and play. You can pick these up at Ciro's website or any authorized dealers that has the brake light and turn signal set up. So now what it comes with is the two bag blades, the LED, the clips that comes with it on both sides, tie wraps on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the lights don't stay left or right on there, so you want to pick the one that's correct. See, this one right here lines everything up. It looks perfect from to the edge. So let's grab this one and you'll see the difference here. See how off it is and how it doesn't conform to the bag? So just make sure you grab the right one. After you have the right light, leave a 1/4 inch from the top to the bottom part of the lip so your lid actually closes properly. 3M recommends you take your nail and groove the tape in so it sticks to the surface a little bit better. Doesn't hurt to go back and forth on the tape itself. Okay, let's peel the backing off and go ahead and press down firmly on the bagger itself. You can go back and forth on it, just make sure it's adhered and sticking to the surface. Okay, now we're ready to install the clips. Again, it has 3M tape on there. You take your nail, you groove it in, and we'll stick it. But we're going to stick it underneath the safety bolts so the bag sits perfectly on the bike and it won't have any problems. We're going to take our second clip and mount it before the spot on the shock. Once you get it in the right spot, firmly press down. Once you have all 3 clips mounted on the bagger, you take your tie wraps and loop it through the hole to secure the wire on each clip. When you're mounting the wire to the third clip, you want to make sure you leave slack so the wire goes behind the shock. Take your wire cutters and cut off the excess tie wraps. This is the Ciro plug and play control box. This box controls the light functions. You have 2 wires coming off the box that goes to the bag lights. One side of the wire is violet, which goes to the left side, and the brown wire is for the right side. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to remove your seat screw in the back, open up your saddlebags to take off the strap screw, and you can take the seat completely off. Okay, now it's time to hook up the controller. We have a male and female in, so this will connect right into the harness. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the harness here. So we're going to take the male in on the female end, plug it right in. Actually, before I'm going to do that, I'm going to show you that, it only goes one way, so you can't put female to female. See, it just doesn't work. So, there's no wrong way to do it. So you just plug in your male to female, plug it in. You take your other wire and plug it into the harness, and you have now completed the circuit. It is time to hook up the backlights to the controller. So now we have the violet wire on one side and the brown wire on the right side. So that's what you're going to do, is you're going to hook the violet up to the left and the brown up to the right. Once we get the wires connected, now we have to make it nice and neat, and we're ready to go. Now it's time to do the light check. Before you put the seat on, you want to make sure everything works properly. Looks like everything looks good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next video.